This wooden structure is hundreds of years old. It survived rain, heat, insects, wars, and time itself. Now look at this. Modern lumber cracks, warps, and fails inside homes. Same material, same trees, same planet. So why does ancient wood last longer than modern lumber? It was not better trees. It was not luck. It was not magic. It was a forgotten step. A step so slow, so boring, and so unprofitable that modern lumber abandoned it completely. They dipped the wood. Long before machines and chemicals, builders understood one simple truth: wood fails when it is rushed. Freshly cut wood is unstable. Moisture inside it is uneven. Stress is trapped. Sugars attract insects. Fungi are waiting. Ancient builders did not fight wood. They prepared it. Instead of drying wood aggressively, they submerged it. Logs were placed in rivers, in ponds, in log pools, sometimes for months, sometimes for years. This was not wasted time. This was engineering. When wood sat underwater, something important happened. Sugars and sap slowly leached out. Insects lost interest. Moisture inside the wood began to equalize. Internal stress relaxed. The wood stopped fighting itself. Modern lumber is forced to dry quickly. Ancient wood was allowed to calm down. That is why old beams remain straight today, while modern boards twist after installation. In coastal regions, builders went even further. They used seawater. Salt water discouraged insects, slowed fungal growth, delayed decay. Shipbuilders understood something modern lumber forgot. If wood will live in a harsh environment, you prepare it for one. Not with speed, with exposure. That is why old ships and docks lasted decades longer than untreated wood. Some builders used lime water or ash water. Wood ash or lime was mixed with water to create an alkaline bath. High pH environments made life difficult for fungi and insects. This was early chemistry. Simple materials, powerful results. If this is changing how you see wood, pause for a second. Like this video so more people find it. Subscribe if you want more forgotten techniques that still outperform modern shortcuts. Modern lumber did not forget these methods. It replaced them. Kiln drying is fast, predictable, profitable. But moisture is forced out unevenly. The wood looks dry, feels dry, sells us dry. Internally, it is stressed. That stress does not disappear. It waits. Months later, it shows up as cracks, warping, joint failure. Ancient builders were not smarter because they were ancient. They were patient because they had no alternative. Modern tools removed patience from the process. The forgotten secret was not water. It was control time. Submerging wood slowed everything down. Slower drying, less movement, longer life. You do not need to soak wood for years today, but you do need to respect the lesson. Allow proper acclimation. Avoid rushed finishes. Understand wood movement. Let wood settle before final assembly. Ancient builders worked with wood, not against it. That ancient beam did not survive by accident. Someone hundreds of years ago chose patience over speed. Modern lumber is not worse. It is rushed. Wood remembers how it is treated. The forgotten dip was not magic. It was respect. And respect still outlasts modern lumber.